going into our last week of school, or our full last week of school. And next week we only have 2 days. So we are in week 3, day 1, and today we're working on expanded form. This is going to be quick because we've already worked on expanded form several times, and so hopefully you all are familiar with it by now. So we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. Read each number, then write it in expanded form. Remember, expanded form has zeros and plus signs. I'm going to do A and B with you, and then you're going to do C, D, E, F, and G on your own. So we have, first of all, we have to remember that reading and math go together, and without one, we cannot do the other. So remember, when we are doing expanded form, sometimes it's written in word form, and when it's in word form, that means literally words. And so this is written, I cannot talk today. This is written in word form, and we have to write it in expanded form. So they had it in word form, then they wrote it in standard form, then they wrote it in expanded form. So we're going to go ahead and copy what they do. So we have 438. So we're going to go ahead and write that 438. So we just write that in standard form. Standard form is how we write it every day. 438. Now we're going to write it in expanded form. 400. Remember, expanded form, you write it how you say it. 400 plus, so we have 430. So we're going to write 30 plus. Then we have 438. So we just write 8. We don't need a plus sign because there's nothing after the ones place. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go ahead and go to B. We have 216. All right, let's write it in standard form. 216. Standard form is how we write it every day. And expanded form, which means we're expanding it, we're stretching it. It has zeros and plus signs, so we're going to write it how we say it. 200, so we just write 200 plus. All right, we go back. 216. Well, we can't just write 16, right? That won't be right. That's not expanded form, so that's not going to work with this one. So now we have to ask ourselves, okay, sorry guys. Now we have to ask ourselves, okay, where is our numbers located in the number? So we have 2 that's in the hundreds place, a 1 that's in the tens place, and a 6 that's in the ones place. So if it's 200, the next place value is tens, and we have a 1 in the tens. So it would be 10 plus, and then we have 6. All right, so that is what you're going to do for C, D, E, F, and G. You're going to write it in standard form, then you're going to write it in expanded form. So take your time, read carefully. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I will see you later. Bye.